All right, so how you doing today? Today we'll be taking a look at the beginner piano here, a digital keyboard, 61 keys by KONIX or KONIX. I'm not sure how you pronounce it. But anyways, it's a semi-weighted key and keyboard with stand, portable electric keyboard piano. So it supports MIDI, USB. Great for beginners, children, and adults alike. And you can check out, there's a link in the video description below. Coupon code as well. So this is going to be just a quick video here showing you some of the sounds and everything, some of the features. There's 128 rhythms and tones that come with it. There's like a drum pattern machine in there. 61 keys, like I said, 128 rhythms, 129 tones, and 30 demo songs. You can also, with the Bluetooth feature, you can also connect it to your iPad, your computer, use different learning apps and stuff like that. It has a stand, a case. It's very lightweight. It has a sustain pedal as well, and it's battery charged, and it has an adapter, so you can plug it into the wall. It has its own battery, so you can use it without the cord as well. And let's just check out some other things about it. So we got the basic piano sound here with just the sustain pedal. We can easily switch between different sounds. You hit the settings and you can change to a church organ. Or let's change to clarinet. And we could go use the up and down arrows here as well. To get different sounds, and then we can put on a metronome. Change the tempo and such. We got our volume here. Hit the volume, go up and down. Back to settings, go back to the original piano. Go through some sounds here. All right, I'm not gonna go through every sound, but you can split the keyboard as well. Different settings here for that. Just hit the settings, dual voice. All that kind of fun stuff. And then we got the demo songs. And which leads us to the rhythm part. You could put rhythms on here. Settings, hit the rhythm. So yeah, really cool, easy to navigate around, and we got Bluetooth. It just has Bluetooth mode. You can connect that to your computer, use it as a MIDI controller. So overall, it's pretty light as well. And then we got the different panels here on the back, or different panels, different inputs, headphones, for the adapter, for the plug, if you will. Obviously right now it's just running on its rechargeable battery. So see, now this is a beginner piano, so it's not like, it plays nice. All right, and some other features here real quick. So what I was doing with the keyboard here is we have the power on, obviously. We have the up and down arrows. We have the volume and demo settings, a metronome. And when you hit the settings, you could hit one of these buttons to change the sound. We got 128 different sounds. They're not all listed here, do not believe. But we also got a record switch here, dual voice. Actually, the record's over here, my bad. Where is the record? There it is. Recording, all kind of other different features that you can check the manual for as well. We have the stand here, if you will, that you clips onto the back. You can throw your iPad on there, sheet music or whatever, and you're good to go. On the back panel of the piano, we have 2 speakers. And then we have your headphone jack, your USB connector, and for your charger as well. A line in, so you could plug in, the phone or whatever, play some music, background music. You could just sustain pedal and a microphone as well, input. So that's all the features. I mean, there's a lot more features, but I'm not gonna go into everything here. All right, so that is all for now. Check it out. There'll be links in the video description below. Very nice little starter piano here. Great for kids learning or even adults, if you want to check it out. And it comes with a stand, of course, too. So, yeah, check it out. That is all for now, and I will talk to you soon.